So recently, hina-highlight sa akin ni Lord yung salitang yours. I can see it sa mga text or naririnig ko somewhere. And also, God has led me to my Bible verse for this week, which is Isaiah chapter 49, verse 4. Yet what is due to me is in the Lord's hand, and my reward is with my God. I know there are times na feeling natin na miss na natin yung blessing na dapat ibinigay sa atin ni Lord. Pero be reminded na kung ano man yung gift na yun, it has our name on it and no one else can claim it. Actually, madalas yun ang pinapa-feel sa atin ng enemy that we have missed our blessing. But actually, all we have to do is to take agreement of that promise mula kay Lord at isa puso natin yon at hindi natin siya hayaang mawala, especially if we have prayed about it at kailangan lang natin maging obedient sa season na ito kung saan tayo dinadala ni Lord or God is letting us grow actually in our faith. And let us all be reminded of this: whatever is surrendered to God is never wasted. God bless you.